Now let's solve this word problem from quadratic equations. This question is based on time and work. So any question on time and work, we assume that some person is working on some task and they will finish it in some time, and the rate of work is constant. For example, if suppose a person is finishing a task in 2 days, then each day the person is completing half the task. Or suppose a person is taking 3 days to complete a task, then each day the person is completing 1/3 of the task. Similarly, if I assume that a person takes X number of days to complete one piece of task or one piece of work, then in one day the person will complete 1 by X fraction of the work. So with this assumption, we will solve such questions. So here Amit takes 12 days less than days taken by Bijoy to complete a certain work. If both working together takes 8 days to complete the work, find the number of days taken by Bijoy to complete the work working alone. So we will start by saying that let Bijoy working alone take X number of days to complete the work. So let Bijoy or B take X days to complete the piece of work. So in one day, B will complete 1 by X of the work. So this is when B is working alone. Now there is another person, Amit. Amit takes 12 days less than the number of days taken by Bijoy. So if I look at that, so for Amit will take X minus 12 days less to complete the work. So in one day, the fraction of work completed by Amit will be the reciprocal, which is 1 by X minus 12. Right. Another thing is that if both of them were working together, then they will take 8 days to complete the work. So if I now write about together, Amit and Bijoy, they will take 8 days to complete the work. So in one day, if they were working together, they are completing 1 by 8 fraction of the work. Also, when they are working together for one day, they are contributing. So Amit is contributing his fraction of the work and Bijoy is contributing his fraction of the work. If I add them together, I will get this fraction 1 by 8 of the work being done in one day. So therefore, I earlier had that Bijoy does 1 by X of the work in one day, and Amit does 1 by X minus 12 of the work in one day. So if I add these two fractions, I will expect to get the fraction 1 by 8. So that becomes my equation. 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 12. Adding up the contribution sum of Amit and Bijoy, we will get this fraction of the work being done together when they are working together. So now we'll solve it to get the quadratic equation. We will add the fraction in the LHS, x into x minus 12, and the numerator is x minus 12 plus x, trying to take a common denominator. So the LHS, I will get 2x minus 12 by x square minus 12x equal to 1 by 8. Now I can cross multiply. 8 into 2x minus 12 is equal to 1 into x square minus 12x. So LHS is 16x minus 8 into 12 is 96 equal to x square minus 12x. Let me bring all the terms on one side. So x square minus 12x minus 16x minus 96 equal to 0 plus 96. So I'll have x square minus 28x plus 96 equal to 0. Now again I can factorize it or use the quadratic formula. If I am trying to factorize it, 96 can be broken down into 48 into 2 or 24 into 2 into 2. So if I check 24 and 4, the product is positive 96 but the sum is negative 28. So if I take minus 24 and minus 4, that condition is satisfied. So the middle term minus 28x, split it as minus 24x minus 4x. Then I will factorize it like this. So I will have x minus 24 into x minus 4 equals to 0. So product of these two things is 0. So that means x minus 24 is 0 or x minus 4 is 0. That means x can be 24 or x can be 4. X was the number of days Bijoy takes to complete the work alone. Both seem to be fine, but Amit, there is another condition for Amit. Amit takes 12 days less than Bijoy. If X was 24, then Bijoy will take 12 days less. So 4 minus 12, that is minus 8 days, which is not possible. So x equal to 24 will give a negative value for the number of days for the other person. Other person was Amit. Amit will take negative number of days, not possible. So therefore x equal to 24 is a valid option. So the answer is Bijoy takes 24 days to complete the work alone.